Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Who's ready for some comfort food? We're not just doing baked potatoes, we're doing twice baked potatoes. Let's get to work. All right, so before we get started, let's get that oven heating up to about 425 degrees. Now, let's take our already scrubbed potatoes and we're gonna dump them or dip them in a solution of salt and water. What this is gonna do is gonna help crisp up the skin a little bit. And then we're just gonna set these aside while our oven's preheating. All right, so now with our oven heated up to 425, we're gonna go ahead and place these potatoes on the top rack, just directly on the rack. And we're gonna let these bake for an hour. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these out of here. And I'm just gonna set these down and we're gonna let these rest for about 5 or 10 minutes so they can cool off just a little bit. So now with these cooled off a little bit, you wanna just take a knife, you wanna carefully cut through the skin here. And you want to peel back just the top layer, maybe about 1 inch wide or so, just to expose so we can get in there and scoop the pulp out, the flesh. All right, so again, you want to be careful because we want to preserve the skin. We want to keep this as a shell, and we want to get as much of the pulp out of here as we can. All right, so that's basically what we're looking for there. So I'll go ahead and take care of the other one. All right, so now that we've got our pulp out, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter to our bowl here. And we're just gonna mash that in with the potatoes. We wanna get this well mixed. And to this, we're gonna add, I've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream and about 2 tablespoons of milk. And I have got 2 tablespoons of just bacon bits. I've got about a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and I've got 2 tablespoons of diced chives. And then to that, I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. So we're gonna get this all mixed together. All right, so that's what we're looking for right there. So now with everything all mixed together, what we're gonna do is we're gonna carefully stuff this back inside our potatoes here. If you end up with a little bit of excess, you can always serve this on the side. It tastes great. Alrighty, so that's one. I had a bit of a blowout on this other one here, so I'm gonna be real careful with it. I'm hoping that filling will help hold it all together. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put these on a foil-lined sheet pan. And we're just gonna put these back in the oven. We'll let them cook for another 10 minutes. Same temperature, 425. All right, so here's the finished product. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna top this off with a little bit more cheddar cheese, some bacon bits, and for a little bit of color here, some more green chives. All right, so there you go, folks. Twice baked potatoes, one heck of a comfort food. Hope you enjoy it.